Welcome to my channel. So in previous videos we have solved the geometrical proofs of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. With the help of those trigonometric values, now we are going to solve the problems in the exercise 11.2. So let us see what are the problems are there and how you are going to solve these problems in this exercise, in what way they are going to be useful. Let us see here. Now in the exercise 11.2, the first problem is evaluate the following. Evaluate the following okay. Now what is the first problem? Sine 45 plus sine 45 degrees plus cos 45 degrees. Okay, this is a problem. Now we know that how we are going to solve these problems. Now in previous videos we know what are the values of sine 45 and cos 45. So sine 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos 45 is gain 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Now take the LCM is root 2. So the denominators are equal, you add the numerators as it is. So what is 1 plus 1? 2 by 2. 2 by root 2. Now if there is a irrational number in the denominator, you have to rationalize the denominator by or else you have to like this irrational number rationalizing the denominator by taking root 2 into root 2. So what happens? 2 root 2 by root 2 into root 2, 2. So 2 cancel. So what is the answer here? Root 2. So like this we are going to solve the problems and the exercise 11.2. Now let us move to the second problem. What is the second bit? Cos 45 by sec 30 degrees plus cosec 60 degrees. Cosec 60 degrees. So we have to solve this problem. Now as we all know that what are the values of the given here? Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 by sec 30 degrees. Come on, say anyone. Okay, very good. 2 by root 3. Then what is cosec 60? Cosec 60 again 2 by root 3. Again 2 by root 3. So simplify this one. 1 by root 2. Denominator LCM is root 3. So 2 plus 2 here. So what happens? 1 by root 2 by 2 plus 2 is 4 by root 3. So denominator will go for numerator, numerator will go for denominator. Root 3 into 1, root 3 by 4 into root 2. So root 3 by 4 root 2 is the solution for the second. Okay, that means first of all you have to memorize the trigonometric table so that easily you can solve these problems. Okay, now let us move for the third one. Okay, third problem is sine 30 degrees plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 by cot 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30 degrees. First of all we will solve for the numerator. So sine 30 degrees plus tan 45 minus cosec 60. So sine 30 is 1 by 2. Okay, tan 45 is 1 minus cosec 60 is 2 by root 3. Okay, so nothing is there means here denominator is 1. So LCM is 2 root 3. So yet 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel means root 3 into 1 root 3. Again plus 2 root 3 divided by 1 means 1 into 2 root 3 2 root 3, then minus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 cancel means 2. 2 2s are 4. Okay, so what did we get? Root 3. So root 3, 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3. How much you are going to get? 4 root 3. Sorry. Here 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3. Total you are going to get 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. So this is for the numerator. Now going for the denominator. What is the denominator? Cot 45 plus cos 60 minus sec 30. Okay, the denominator. Cot 45 is 1, cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus sec 30 is 2 by root 3. Again LCM is 2 root 3. Here nothing is there means 1. So LCM is 2 root 3 divided by 1. So how many times 1 into 2 root 3? 2 root 3 times 2 root 3. 2 root 3 into 1, 2 root 3 plus 2 root 3 divided by 2. 2 cancel. Root 3 into 1, root 3 minus 2 root 3 divided by root 3. Root 3 cancel. 2 2s are 4. So 2 root 3 plus 1 root 3, 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. So here we got the numerator as well as denominator values. Now substitute numerator by denominator values. So what is the numerator value? 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. Similarly denominator 3 root 3 minus 4 by 2 root 3. Same values is equal to 1. So the solution for the given problem is 1. Just we have to memorize the trigonometric value table so that easily you can substitute the values here. Okay, now let us move on to the next problem. Okay, now in the first bit there are 5 problems. So I have done, this is the 4th problem. One problem is remaining. You do as a practice problem, that you have to do as a practice, so that if you are going to get any doubts, you just drop your doubt in the comment section. I am going to answer to your doubt. Now see, a 5th one is sec square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30. Okay, I am separating numerator as well as denominator. First of all, let us find the numerator values. Sec 60 is nothing but 2 whole square. So what is tan 60? Root 3 whole square. 2 square, 2 into 2. Square root cancel is 3. 2 square is 4 minus 3. So numerator is 1. Similarly, sin square 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay. Now 1 by 2 means 1 by 4 plus here square root cancel means 3 by 2 square is 4. Okay, that means root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2, 2 times. Root 3 into root 3, 3, 2 2s are 4. So in this way you are going to get 3 by 4. LCM is 4 means 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 by 4, that gives you 1. So we got numerator value, denominator. So numerator by denominator. So numerator value is 1, denominator value is 1. So 1 ones are 1. So the solution for the sec square 60 minus tan square 60 by sin square 30 plus cos square 30 is 1. Okay. I hope you have understood by substituting the values and the simplification what I have done here. Now let us move for the second bit. Okay. Now in the second bit, first problem is 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45. So now I am going to substituting the values directly. 2 into tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan 45 is 1 and tan square means square. 2 ones are 2 upon root 3 by 1 plus 1 square is 1. So here how much you are going to get? 2 upon root 3 by 2. So this is the numerator. Numerator will go for the denominator. Nothing is there means here 1. So that is nothing but, so numerator will go for denominator and denominator will move to numerator. That is 2 into 1 by root 3 into 2. 2 cancel. That gives you 1 by root 3. So this is the solution for the second bit first problem. So 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 value is 1 by root 3. Now let us go for second bit. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. So here 1 minus tan 45 is 1 square by 1 plus, again tan square is 1 whole square, that is 1 minus 1 square is 1 by 1 plus 1 square is 1. So 0 by 2, that gives you what? 0. Now if you are going to observe from these two problems, here 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 is 1 by root 3. So in terms of tan, where do you get 1 by root 3? Okay, it is nothing but tan 30. Tan 30 value is nothing but 1 by root 3. That means you can write down the solution for 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 45 is equal to tan 30 degrees. Okay, so this is the final solution by observing this one. Similarly here 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. So here we got 0. In terms of tan, where are you going to get 0? So you can write on the both the solutions, either 0 and where does you are going to get as 0 in terms of tan. That means tan 0. Tan 0 is again it is 0. So either you can write down the this as solution or this one as solution. Okay. So this is about the second bit, first problem and second problem. Remaining third problem is that you have to do as a practice problem. So if you are going to do as a practice problem, it will be easy for you. You can solve the problems very easily. Okay, so you pause the video, write down the problem and you try for the third problem in the second bit. Okay, now let us move for the next bit. Okay, now third bit, evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. What is the value of sine of 60 plus 30 degrees? What do you conclude? So first of all, is saying that what is the relationship between sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60 and sine of 60 plus 30. From this, what do you conclude? So let us see what we are going to conclude by solving this problem. After getting the solution, what we are going to conclude, we will say it. Now first of all, sine 60 degrees cos 30 degrees cos 30 degrees plus sine 30 cos 60. So what are these values? Let us see here. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Sine 30 1 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, 3 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1 by 2 2s are 4. So how much you are going to get? 3 plus 1 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4, which is equal to 1. Okay. Now sine of 60 plus 30 is how much? So we can write this one as sine 60 plus 30 is how much? 60 plus 30 is 90. So sine 90 is 1. So from this, what you conclude? So the value of sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 is 1, and sine 60 of 30 is also 1. So these two values are equal. So what do you conclude? We conclude that sine of 60 plus 30 is equal to sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. Okay. So these two values are equal. So we can conclude that these two are going to be equal. Now I want to change this equation as a formula. How? Let us assume that A is equal to 60, B is equal to 30. What happens? Sine of A plus B, instead of A 60 substitute A, instead of 30 substitute B. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus sine B cos A. So I hope we can write down the formula in this way. Sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus sine B cos A. So like this we can conclude from the given problem, and we got these LHS and RHS are equal. Therefore from that we have concluded that a formula sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine A cos B plus sine B cos A, or you can write as sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. You can write like this: sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So in whatever way you want to write, you can write like this. Okay. So this one you are going to get the formula of sine of A plus B. Okay. So let us move for the next problem. Okay children, now fourth problem. Is it right to say that cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30? Now let us see here. Write down the problem here. Cos 60 plus 30. I am taking only LHS. So this can be written as cos 60 plus 30, 90. So what is cos 90? Cos 90 is 0 degree. Now RHS. Cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30 degrees. So what is cos 60? Cos 60 we have seen in the trigonometric table, it is 1 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2. So 1 into root 3 by 2 2 is 4 minus root 3 1 is root 3, 2 2 is 4. Root 3 minus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4 is equal to 0. So from here we have seen that LHS is equal to RHS. So is it right to set these two are equal? Yes, it is right. Yes, it is right to say cos 60 plus 30 is equal to cos 60 cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. So from this we can reveal another formula, that let us assume A is equal to 60 degrees, B is equal to 30 degrees. Substitute cos 60 means A, 30 means B. Cos A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So like this we can get another formula from this question here. Okay, hope children have understood. Before doing these problems you have to know all the trigonometric values, so that it is very easy to substitute all these values in the given problem. So here in my previous video I have given the trigonometric table very easily, how to memorize trigonometric table very easily. So if you want to see the table, on right side of the corner of my YouTube channel there will be an icon. Just press on that one, you will be getting the trigonometric table easily. You have to write down in a rough side, so that easily you can substitute these values. Okay, hope you have understood. Okay, if you like this video, share, watch and subscribe my channel. Okay children, that's for the day.